The purpose of this video was to discuss how to write chemical equations from a description. Solid potassium and iodine gas are formed by the decomposition of solid potassium iodide. Potassium iodide is the reactant. It decomposes to produce potassium and iodine. This is a decomposition reaction. We have potassium iodide. That's the reactant. It's solid. It produces potassium, which is solid, and then iodine, which is a diatomic element, so it's I2, and that's a gas. But remember, it needs to be balanced, so we have to balance our equation. If we have two iodines here, we need two iodines there. So 2 potassium, oh, but look, we have 1 potassium, let's balance it. 2 potassium, 2 potassium, 2 iodine, 2 iodine, you're balanced. Solid iron and aqueous magnesium chloride are produced by the reaction of magnesium and aqueous iron 3 chloride. This is a single replacement because we have a compound and an element that produce a different compound and a different element. Magnesium, which is solid, iron 3 chloride, which is aqueous, and we know that this is FeCl3 because it's iron 3 chloride, which means the iron has a 3+ charge and we swap and drop. It produces magnesium chloride, which is aqueous, and then iron, which is solid. Then it needs to be balanced. So if I have 2 chlorine here and 3 here, we need to make this side even, so I put 2. That gives us 6 chlorine, so that means I need a 3 to give me 6 chlorine. And then if I have 3 here, I need 3 magnesium. And then, oh, one more, we have to balance that iron on the other side. So 2 iron, 2 iron, 3 magnesium, 3 magnesium. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So we're all balanced. Okay, now on this one, I want you to try it on your own. Solid sodium oxide and gaseous water are produced by the decomposition of solid sodium hydroxide. So this is what you have. Solid sodium hydroxide is NaOH. It produces sodium oxide and water. The sodium hydroxide is a solid. The sodium oxide is also a solid. And then the water is gaseous, which means it's gas. Next, we have oxygen gas that reacts with solid carbon to form carbon dioxide gas. I want you to do this one on your own as well. Oxygen gas reacts with carbon that's solid to produce carbon dioxide gas.